Hello, everybody. How are you today? I am Teacher Faye, and I'm very happy today because we are going to play. Do you want to play? Yes, you want to play a game with me? So come with us, me and my zoo animals. Come. Hello, everybody. Okay, here we are again, and I'm here with my zoo animals, remember? So let's remember all the names. What's this? A giraffe. This is a zebra. And this is a hippo. And a rhino. The lion. The bear. A tiger. And the monkeys. Okay, so we are all here and we are going to play a game that I know you like very much. It's called What is Missing? Okay, so you are going to look to all the animals. Okay, then I am going to take one of the animals, and then you have to guess which animal is missing. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Let's go. Everybody, when I say the name of the animal, you have to repeat. Okay? Zebra, giraffe, hippo, rhino, tiger, lion, bear, monkeys. Turn around. What is missing? What's missing? Did you guess correct? It is the rhino. The rhino was missing. Bye-bye, rhino. Rhino will not be here anymore, and I'm going to take another one. Let's say all the names. Zebra, giraffe, hippo, tiger, lion, monkeys, bear. Very good. Turn around. What's missing? Tell me what's missing. What's missing here? Yes, the giraffe. The giraffe was missing. Now say bye-bye to giraffe. Bye-bye, giraffe. Okay. Let's go again. Bear, monkeys, lion, tiger, hippo, zebra, and what's missing? What's missing? They are two. Yes. The monkeys, they were missing. Very good. Let's go again. Hippo, tiger, lion, zebra, bear. Very good. And what's missing? It is the. It has a letter T. It's a tiger. Very good. Bye-bye, tiger. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Now let's go. Let me see. I'm gonna start by the lion. Lion, bear, hippo, zebra. Very good. And close your eyes. Turn around. What's missing now? Tell me. What is missing? Huh? The hippo. Okay, now again. Zebra, lion, bear, and what's missing? The bear. Very good. Now it's very easy. We are just gonna say bye-bye to zebra and bye-bye to lion. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. And now, before you go, please tell them to like this video, guys. Like this video. Subscribe to our channel, because you can see lots of other very nice videos like this, okay? And then share it to your friends. And now I am gonna tell you which one is the animal I chose to be today. Let me show you what I'm gonna do to become one of them. Let me show you. Haha. Can you see this? Did you guess already? Do you know who I am? I am a zebra. Yes, I have lots of white stripes or black stripes. Stripes, black and white stripes. Aha. Here you have a very white zebra, but me, I am a very black zebra with white stripes, and this is a very white zebra with black stripes. But the zebra is actually an animal with black and white stripes. Okay? Yes. So tell me, did you guess correct? Do you remember this movie? So now it's time to watch it. Yes, go and watch it. It's a very nice movie. You can probably watch on Netflix. Go there, you will find it, and it's very nice. Now I'm gonna tell you the name of this movie because I know you will love it. It has a giraffe as a star, a lion as a star, a hippo as a star, and also a zebra. Those are the 4 big stars of this movie. Look. And this movie is called Madagascar, and I like it very much. And now it's time to go there and watch it. Don't forget to watch in English, okay? Yes! And I will see you next week with another animal, okay? A different one that lives in a different place. Guess who that is? Can you guess? Only next week, okay? Bye-bye.